Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming a usable backup. That is the only reliable path to recover deleted messages. Open WhatsApp, go to Chat's Chat Backup, and note the backup date and provider. Make sure you're signed into the same Google or Apple account and that the phone number matches. Otherwise, the restore won't find your backup. Once done, free up storage if needed and connect to Wi-Fi so the backup can download without data limits or interruptions. Now you remove and reinstall WhatsApp to trigger the restore flow. Uninstall the app, then download it again from the official store. During setup, verify your phone number. This ties the device to your backup. When prompted, allow WhatsApp to access storage and to use your Google or iCloud backup. Otherwise, the restore option won't appear. Once you accept, the app will detect available backups and present a restore button, tap it, and let the process run without closing the app. Finish by tapping restore and watching messages populate your chats. Media often downloads after the initial message restore, so be patient. Make sure you stay on Wi-Fi and keep the phone awake. Large backups can take many minutes and use significant battery. Plug in if possible. If WhatsApp shows no backup, there is no server copy to recover. Check your phone's local WhatsApp backup folder as a last resort, but understand that without a backup, deleted messages cannot be retrieved.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.